Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and today it's time for a brand new YouTube hop called Whatever the Weather. And Lynda has come up with this brilliant idea for us to celebrate or scrap about the weather in our part of the world right now. So it's an ongoing hop, and every month, I think it's monthly, we'll be scrapping about our weather. So it is winter right here in Australia, and I don't have a photo of scenery or snow or anything like that. What I have is a photo of me and my dog relaxing on the back deck in the sunshine. You can tell it's winter. I've got my jumper on, my leggings, I actually have bed socks on and my slippers, and we're just enjoying the morning sun on our back deck. And that's a normal winter's morning basically. I'll have my coffee, go out there, sit on the deck, soak in the sun until it gets too hot, and then move inside. And then after a while it'll get cold inside, so you go back out in the sun. We are very, very lucky that our back deck gets sun through most of the day, and it's yeah, it's a lovely spot to sit. And summertime it's way too hot to sit out there much, but wintertime we make the most of it and relax in the sun, and our dog sits with us. So that is what my photo is today. That is my typical winter's day, sitting in the sun, relaxing with the dog. So what I'm using for this layout is a uniquely creative collection called Seize the Day, and this particular paper is called Take a Breath. So I picked it because it had the lovely blues on it, and it's this really bold black and white chevron on the back, which I won't be using. But it just reminded me of a nice, like, cool winter's day, the blue and the birds flying past and the like stormy clouds. That's what I interpret it as anyway. Alright, so that's what I'm using. It's going to be quite a simple page. I've got all my clusters all ready to go. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. Nice and simple. I love that the paper already has elements on it, so that helps fill in the space. And I used some splotches, whatever you call them. Yeah, so that's it. Nice and simple. Make sure you check out the playlist below. It has everyone who is playing along with this new monthly hop, Whatever the Weather. And we hope to see you back next month. If you've liked this layout, please hit that thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.